Hello friends, welcome to Btoons Learning. Today we will learn 50 common fruits names. So let's begin. Apple, orange, plum, mango, grapefruit, guava, lemon, strawberry, pear, papaya, star fruit, pomegranate, fig, rambutan, sapodilla, avocado, banana, coconut, lime, cherry, kiwi fruit, lychee, Java apple, dragon fruit, ambilic, gooseberry, grapes, watermelon, sweet granadilla, prickly pear, apricot, peach, passion fruit, olive, persimmon, canary melon, Asian pear, tangerine, custard apple, pineapple, quince, cherry moya, blackberry, blueberry, cranberry, fox grape, java plum, raspberry, muskmelon, durian fruit. Thank you.